Mitsubishi for M40. Diesel engine is under the tarp, and this diesel we pulled from crashed Mitsubishi Delica a little bit over months ago, and yeah, it's a beautiful engine. Let's take a tarp off, and today I would like to find the exact mileage, how many kilometers this Delica had at the time of the crash. Let's see what we'll find. Okay, we'll just take the tarp off. Engine is waiting for the swap. All nice and serviced. Yeah, I have a video how I fired it up, all in details, in the basic steps, and this engine sounded so good. And I got the instrument cluster from the Delica, which I pulled the engine. And here is another Delica, and here's the instrument cluster, which I pulled from silver one, which engine came from. Video will be over here, and I'm going to pull mine out and plug it in this guy, see how many kilometers we have on odometer. That's interesting. And see if gauges work and the lights. Yeah, pretty interesting. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that, and click that notification bell and you won't miss any new videos. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to remove my instrument cluster, and yeah, let's shift to low gear like that. Second, and now we have more room to pull the cluster out. Okay, let's turn the key off. Yeah, we cannot pull the key because we're on a gear. That's fine. Let's close the door to stop the beep beep beep. Stubby Phillips screwdriver, and there's a 1-2 screws to remove this black front cover part. Let's remove those screws first. Yeah, if you have any questions about your Delica, yeah, please put them down in the comment section below. And yeah, any suggestions, concerns, critics, yeah, leave a comment. I would like to know, and always do my best to answer your question. Yeah, I like the Delicas, they're awesome, especially diesel ones. Okay, 2 screws they're removed. I have the plastic prying tool. Make sure it won't leave any marks after prying the front panel. Let's just grab it and pull it. It should come out. It has a few plastic clips around. Yeah, just to be careful like that. Don't rush, just take your time, and you won't break anything. Just gradually. See, it's coming out. We have a few switches, and yeah, let's tilt a little bit column like that. Okay, it's almost out. It's coming out. Oh, panel is partially out. Let's disconnect this switch here for the automatic transmission mode. Okay, here we go. This one's disconnected. Let's remove this fan switch. Seriously, this one up. And one more on this side. Okay, now it should come out. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. All right, here we go. Just put it like that. As you can see, one switch here. This is for fan, manual control. Keep fan on, off. And one more here for lights. Or more Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's remove that, and cluster will come out. Like any vehicle, Delica, we're talking about L400 space gear, has own problems, issues here and there, but overall they're well built Japanese reliable vehicles. Yeah, we'll make another video about some problems with Delicas and how to avoid them and how to work around. Okay, let's pull it out. All right, now we'll just tip it like this and get those connectors disconnected. There's 5 electrical connectors. It's pretty easy. And plug it in our okay. All then removed. Cluster is out. There's a junkyard one which came from the Delica. We removed the engine. All right, and this is I just removed from my Delica. As you can see, they're identical. So there's a junkyard number. Yeah, they're absolutely the same. Okay, let's put this one in and see the mileage. Yeah, we can wipe this dust. Or here, why not to wipe it and keep everything as clean as possible, of course. Yeah, okay. We'll just go and plug it in, this bad boy, and see how many kilometers on this Delica. Moment of truth. Our junkyard instrument cluster for the crashed Delica. That's 440 on the ground, and we'll know how many kilometers on that engine when a vehicle got and crashed. Okay, turn key to the on position, and okay, we have 250,720 kilometers. Temperature gauge is working, lights are on too. Rear wheel drive. We have second gear, that's right. Automatic transmission light is on. Battery, the water, the fuel light is on. Let's fire it up and see if tachometer works. Oh, we're on a gear. Sorry. Yeah, let's shift to park and fire it up. Here we go. Tachometer is working. That's right amount of fuel I have in my tank. Transmission lights just disappeared. That's nice. Yeah, let's check the speedometer, see if it works, and yeah, make sure cluster is fully functional. Okay, we're in drive. Watch this arrow. Yeah, and speedometer is working. Oh, this one's full. Oh yeah, or 20 kilometers. Yeah, odometer, tachometer, everything's working on this cluster, and we know this cluster is fully functional. Yeah, and that Delica ended its life at 250,720 kilometers. So sad with it. That low mileage, that Delica could go easily for 500,000 and more. Yeah, well, cluster is working, I'm happy, and now I know exactly how many kilometers on that swap donor engine. 440, we got it. Yeah, good stuff. Here we go. Now I'm going to remove this cluster. Let's put in park. Yeah, showing everything we need to know. Well, I'm going to remove that cluster which belongs to that engine and put mine back and make sure everything is back together. Original instrument cluster is reconnected. All connectors are in place and locked. This one is waiting for future use. I will keep it. Good cluster. Yeah, everything's getting back in place. Nice and easy. Okay, we'll put those screws back, put the front panel back, connect all switches, and we should be good. Everything is back in place. Let's check, make sure everything's working. Yes, we have all lights, gauges. Let's fire it up. There we go. And the engine is idling. Here's a spare cluster. Original one is back in place, and this beauty is going to another Delica. We'll do the swap video or make another interesting project. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. More Delica videos are coming up. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.